Live streaming is not easy. There are so many things that you need to be on top of to create a really dynamic live stream. You have multiple scenes, audio sources, video sources, guests, and the list goes on and on.
Shh, come on, man, it's not that hard.
What do you mean, it's not that hard?
I mean, you make it sound like you're delivering a baby elephant or crossing the desert without water. I mean, come on, it's live streaming. You turn on the camera, you click the go live button. Nothing is that hard about it.
Well, I'm sure it's nowhere near as hard as delivering a baby, but there is a lot of work that goes into a successful live stream.
You all humans make everything sound harder than it is. It's like back in my day, we walked 12 miles to school without shoes uphill both ways. I mean, come on, man, it doesn't have to be that way.
That is exactly my point, Carl. Thank you for making it. There are just certain tools that make live streaming much easier.
Shh.
Today I'm going to show you the 5 paid and 5 free streaming tools that make streaming so easy that I can't live without them.
There you go again. Can't live without them. What do you mean, like arms? Because I'll live without arms just fine. What a drama queen you are.
You know what, Carl? I think we should just get right to it. Let's go through our 5 paid tools first. There's nothing here too expensive, but they aren't free either. There's going to be links to everything I talk about in this video in the description below, so you can check it out for yourself. The first thing is my Elgato Stream Deck. This thing makes managing a complex stream so easy.
Easy like Sunday morning.
Are you done?
That's why I'm easy up there. Yeah, I think I got it out of the system.
I use this to string together my intro, close, and different segments of the stream. It switches all the masks and navigates to all the proper scenes. A complex stream without one of these would be really difficult to pull off.
Yeah, sure, but how expensive is it? Like, do I need to sell my organs to get one of these things?
No, it's not that expensive, Carl. It runs about $150. The next tool is headphones. These are so important if you want to stream with guests or monitor any audio on your stream. They're also great to block out noisy cats.
Can I get a pair of those for your snoring? I mean, it's like a chainsaw cutting a steel beam. Horrible.
Sorry, Carl. They don't offer a feline version of any of the headphones that I've seen.
Bummer.
The headphones I use are the Logitech Zone Wireless, and they run around $150. But you can make do with any headphones, even an old pair of wired earbuds. The bottom line is that you need to have them for live streaming. The third thing I use in every live stream is a green screen. Both Monica and I use one to remove the background in certain scenes to make streams more dynamic. Monica uses a portable one like this that runs about $50.
Not bad.
I use a pull-up screen to cover most of the wall, and it runs anywhere from $130 to $500 depending upon what size you go with.
Bigger's always better.
I don't think we're talking about the same thing here, Carl. You don't need a big green screen to remove your background.
Sure, but bigger is better.
Don't you have something better to do?
Not at the moment.
Moving on, the next tool is lighting. A bit of thought and some simple lighting can make any area and camera look better. I use these lights as my main lights, and Monica does as well. They run around $220 a set, and it comes with 3 softbox lights and a remote to control them with.
Playing God with your lights, are ya?
What?
I'll bet you like to control them. Turn out, turn down. You're a light control freak.
The remote does make it pretty easy to set them up, but once you set them up, there really isn't a lot of controlling you do to them.
Sure.
You don't need a fancy light setup though. You can get cheap clip-on lights at Home Depot for like $20 that are gonna do the trick. The final paid tool is also lighting. Ambient lighting or accent lights like the ones behind me. These are just cheap LED strings that I put in a glass to make them glow a bit. But you can do all kinds of cool things with them. And they are just a few bucks on Amazon, or you can even get them at Five Below.
Below what?
I'm guessing it means below $5.
Below me.
Okay, that's enough out of you.
You know the human is busy right now, so I figured why not jump on here and ask you to hit that thumbs up. If it gets enough of those, maybe you'll get me better food. Oh, then why not subscribe? It's totally free and it helps the human out. You can also let him have it in the comments. Tell him how awesome I am and how I need top sirloin.
Hey, what are you doing in there?
He's coming, I gotta go.
Let's move on to the free tools that I use on every stream.
If it's free, it's for me.
Yeah, well, it's because I pay for everything, so it's free to you.
Oh, it's not free, believe me. I gotta put up with that snoring I mentioned before, and then there's the...
Yeah, okay, I get it. Chat Ninja is an awesome tool that I use to add viewer comments to the stream and monitor the chat easily.
Ninja.
What?
Ninja. Ninja. That's just a fun word, don't you think? Ninja.
Chat Ninja is easy to install and use, and once it's configured, all you have to do is click on the chat and it will appear on screen. And click it to make it disappear again.
I'd like to make you disappear.
What was that?
Oh, I said I'm having trouble hearing out of this ear.
You should get that checked out.
Oh. Yeah, sure thing.
The second free tool I use is a plugin called the Downstream Keyer. It allows you to put any image or video or even a browser source on top of any scene that you want. It can make it easy to add alerts or just set them up in a scene and then add that scene to the Downstream Keyer, and no matter what scene you're on, they're always going to be on top. Super cool.
I know you could do better than that.
Next one is the Move Transition plugin, and it makes moving assets around scenes really easy to do. Now, I don't actually use it for transitions anymore, but I use it extensively for other things on my stream. For example, the thumbs up, ambulance, and the wheel of blame are all set up and animated by the Move Transition. If you want me to break down more about how this is done, let me know in the comments. How was that one?
Better, I suppose.
Good. The next one is an OBS plugin called the Audio Visualizer.
You mean it helps you see sound?
Yeah, that's kind of basically how it works. It's really easy to set up and has a whole bunch of ways that you can configure it to give it different looks. Then once you set it up, you attach it to the audio source that you want to visualize with it, and it moves with the sound. And you can use it for voices and sound effects and even music.
Just don't, man.
What? I'm not allowed to dance?
I think we will all agree that whatever that is, it's not dancing, and you're banned from ever doing it again.
Fine. The final free tool I always use is called Video Ninja.
Ninja.
Not this again, Carl.
Ninja. Okay, I'm good.
Video Ninja is a tool that I use to add guests to my live stream in OBS. It makes it easy for a guest to join with any type of camera or microphone, or even a cell phone. And within seconds, you can add them to a stream with their own separate audio sources. You can place them wherever you want in a scene and add as many guests as you want.
Man, I could do an awesome live stream with this stuff, and my cousin Frank.
Isn't Frank the one that, you know what? Never mind. If you want to see more about the Video Ninja, you should check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you.
Hey, what am I, invisible?
Oh, I'm sorry. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. That is Carl the Cat. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.